How to change your birthday on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can change your birthday on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now when you submit a document for verification on Cash App, they're going to ask you your date of birth, and to change it, all you have to do is first of all just try to verify it again by tapping the add cash option. It'll say me to verify my identity, right? So all I need to do is I can go ahead and add a bank or do whatever else I prefer, or I can go ahead and verify my account. In case all of this process does not work, if you'd like to change your birthday or your age on Cash App, I'll just recommend you directly talk to the support team. And to talk to the support team, you have to tap your profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you might want to scroll down and go to the option called support. Once you go to the option called support, over here you'll find an option called chat. So you can tap on chat and then you can talk to a real Cash App support person. A live agent is going to get in touch with you and then hopefully change your birthday on Cash App. This is how you can change your birthday on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.